News 18 mega exclusive. A bomb threat targeted the Enforcement Directorate's Chennai office, prompting a full security sweep. No explosives were found. Sources say this is against investigating officers handling sensitive money laundering cases. Preliminary analysis suggests that the threat was part of a calculated psyops which was aimed at disrupting enforcement activity. Now, sources in ED reveal that the timing of the mail may be linked to recent high-profile raids. CNN News 18's Purnima joins us for more on this. Purnima, very good morning to you. What more details do we have about that particular message which was issued against the officers in ED?
Well, this is the Enforcement Directorate Southern Office in Chennai, and this is where on Thursday this office did receive bomb threat, and preliminary analysis suggests that this was part of a calculated move aimed at disrupting enforcement activity, because the threat was directly sent even to senior officers here, is what sources have told CNN News 18. After they received an email saying that a bomb has been placed inside this office, there was a joint team comprising of the local police, bomb disposal squad as well as the dog squad. They conducted a thorough examination here. No explosive device was found, but sources from the ED say that this has raised serious concerns about targeted intimidation, because sources say that this comes at a time when they've issued summons to some of the high-profile politicians. So the timing of that is being questioned by the Enforcement Directorate. Sources say that they are likely to be given the CISF protection as well. But this was received on Thursday, and there was a thorough joint examination conducted at this very premises where we are reporting from. But no explosive device has been found. But they question the timing of this, because they say that this is at a time when they've issued summons to some of the high profiles, they've received this bomb threat. However, we'll have to wait and see how this now pans out, because in the last 1 month, there have been several such bomb threats received to politicians and actors in Tamil Nadu. We'll have to wait and see what the government has to say in this regard.
Right. Also, Purnima, has the origin or the source of that particular email been, traced? What are the officers investigating this particular matter saying about the sender's identity?
Well, sources say that they are currently trying to track the source of this email, because this was received on Thursday, and they feel that this is an intimidation tactic, because they've issued summons, and they're also currently conducting investigation on several high-profile cases. So they feel that the timing of this bomb threat that the ED Southern Office in Chennai had received, they question the timing of this. At the moment, they are trying to trace where that email came from. So far, they've not identified, but investigation is on, is what we are getting together from ED sources.
And what's the current situation at the ED office in Chennai? Have the officers been evacuated? Like, what's the process right now?
Well, since no explosive device was found after a joint investigation that was conducted by the local police and various other squads, what we are given to understand is that they have resumed operations, but they continue to highlight that this could well be an intimidation tactic, because you can see the cars are parked here. This is the building. Most of the cars are parked here. Being a Saturday, the office is shut. But at the moment, they've not evacuated people because no explosive device was found. Thorough examination was done. Thorough checks were done, and they did not find any explosive device. And therefore, now sources from ED say that this could well be an intimidation tactic, but only after they trace where this email came from will they be able to give us more details.
All right, Purnima, thank you so much for bringing us all those inputs.